everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Gracefully Tori, and I'm excited to host you. Now guys, I don't know about you, but I love dressing up in the winter. And with that in mind, I thought, hey, why not put together a couple of ways I'll be styling my skinny jeans this winter for inspiration and just for pure fun. I really hope you enjoy. This video comes to an end. Guys, thank you oh so much for watching. I really hope that you found this video insightful, inspiring, and fun to watch. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video and channel with anyone who would listen. Till we meet again, stay blessed, stay safe, bye!